everyone, it is Sarah, and this week I am in Scottsdale, Arizona. This sunny desert city is known for its upscale resorts, spas, and golfing. It is located in the heart of the golden Sonoran desert, which is a beautiful spot to watch the sunrise or wildlife. Today I'm going to show you some of the best things to do here. From hidden tiki bars to kayaking in the desert, this is one place that you need to add to your bucket list. With more than 300 days of sunshine a year, Scottsdale is the perfect place to get outside and explore. Kayaking and hiking in the Sonoran Desert is a great way to see the flora, fauna, and wildlife in its natural environment. Today we're going to be kayaking the Lower Salt River with Saguaro Lake Guest Ranch. The river winds through the Tonto National Forest, which is known for its 1,000-foot cliffs and majestic saguaros. This is good for people of all ages and abilities because it is a sit-on-top kayak that is very stable and easy to maneuver. You will have the chance to see wild horses, deer, great blue herons, osprey, bald eagles, and other native wildlife. We just finished and it was an amazing experience. We saw so many wild horses that were running through the water. It was so majestic. I highly recommend doing this, but make sure you do it early in the morning because the river can get very crowded midday. Another fantastic way to experience Scottsdale's natural beauty is by hiking the McDowell Sonoran Preserve. This protected area consists of the McDowell Mountains and the Sonoran Desert. Here you'll see saguaro cacti and maybe even road runners. There are hikes of all different difficulty levels, and soon there will even be a trail that is wheelchair accessible. So this is another wonderful option for any type of traveler. Today we're hiking Tom's Thumb Trail. This is a 4-mile, heavily trafficked, out and back trail. Now, this is one of their more difficult trails, so I really only recommend this one if you're physically fit. Along the trail, you're gonna see beautiful views of the southern McDowell Mountains, wildlife, and wildflowers. It is stunningly gorgeous. Scottsdale has over 800 restaurants and bars, which is ideal because everyone can find something that they love. There are many wonderful places to choose from, but here are some of my favorites. I'm here at Kraft 64. This spot is known for their wood fire pizzas, but they also have 30 craft beers on tap, 8 of which they make here in-house. They source all of their produce, dairy, and meats from Arizona, and they make their mozzarella here fresh daily and their dough, which is really cool. This spot was rated the #3 top restaurant in Scottsdale by Zagat. I got the ahi pizza, which is mozzarella, parmigiano reggiano, fennel sausage, sauteed onions, ricotta, spinach, and spicy ahi jalapeno sauce. I also got the Fico pizza, which has mozzarella, parmigiano reggiano, ricotta, arugula, truffle oil, and fig sauce. All right, let's give it a try. This one's the Fico. Look how beautiful that looks with the arugula and the delicious cheese on top. I can just see like this is like the perfect dough consistency. It's like crunchy yet a little bit soft. That is so good. The arugula adds a nice bitterness, which really complements the other flavors. As a New Yorker, I give this pizza a thumbs up. I know what they're doing here. And it's great because you can actually see the wood fire pizza oven right in the back as you're eating your pizza. If you're a craft beer lover, you must come here to Goldwater Brewery. This family-owned and operated business has 30+ years of history, knowledge, and passion. Goldwater's industrial and contemporary style tap room has 15 of their very own craft beers, including specialty one-off brews that they come up with on a whim, all served directly from their bright tanks and tap system. When you come here, I recommend trying this unique beer. It's called Desert Rose. It's crisp, It has a little bit of sweetness. It's made from prickly pear, which is something very special to Arizona. So you really can't get a beer more Arizona than this one right here. Plus it's cool because it's pink. How often do you see that, right? Hula's Modern Tiki is a great dinner spot. It is an urban twist on the classic tiki restaurant or bar from the 50s. The menu is extensive and is a fusion of Polynesian and American flavors. All right, what I got here is the pulled pork plate. This is staying true to that Polynesian theme. You have some slow roasted pulled pork with a soy glaze, cold slaw and rice on the side. Mixing these together is just how you get this done, but I'm just gonna have a bite right like this. Listen, I've been to Hawaii 18 times, I'm not kidding. And this is right in target with the flavors that you get at a real luau. So they really know what they're doing here. Highly recommend this dish. If you're visiting Scottsdale during the summer, it's smart to plan indoor activities during the heat of the day, which is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. I have a whole video on how to do summer in Scottsdale because in many ways it is the best time of year to come here. To learn more about that, click on the video that is linked below. Some of the best things to do indoors is visit the many local art galleries or wineries, head to the Smithsonian's Museum of the West, or shop at Fashion Square. Another great option is to head here to Wonder Spaces. This interactive, Instagram-friendly series of installations is called Point of View. Inside, 13 artists explore how new perspectives expand our concept of the world. Through their art, they play with the definition of perspective, flip its rules, and present abstract and literal forms. Though the methods and media are all different, each artwork opens us up to the views of others. Here's my secret. And can you find it somewhere in this wall? Huh? Good luck. It is the ideal spot if you're looking for that perfect Instagram photo. There are many lodging options to choose from, but two in particular that I love. Here at the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess, they provide alfresco living in the blooming Sonoran Desert. As with the Native American tradition, you'll live in harmony with nature through vast open spaces, lushly landscaped grounds, regal saguaro cacti, and a burning orange sun sinking behind the majestic mountains every evening. They have 5 restaurants, superb boutiques, 2 golf courses, 5 outdoor pools, 2 water slides, 5 tennis courts, and Arizona's only white sand beach. Another fantastic option is to stay at the Westin Kierland Resort and Spa. This luxury resort brings out the essence of Arizona. It has 10 dining venues, a full-service spa, upscale shopping, and a world-class golf course. They also have Adventure Water Park, which is home to a 110-foot water slide, 90-foot lazy river, and the Kierland Flow Rider board sports simulator. This hotel is intuitively designed to bring out Arizona's rich history and culture. I'm gonna try the Flow Rider right now. I've never done this before. This looks super intense. No trip to Scottsdale would be complete without some sort of extravagant pampering. After all, there are more spas per capita here than anywhere else in the country. There are 2 in particular that I recommend. At the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess, they have a rejuvenating sanctuary on property that has a comprehensive program of services, treatments, activities and retreats in a luxurious and tranquil setting. My number one tip for getting a treatment here is to spend at least 45 minutes before and after your treatment enjoying their facilities. They have a eucalyptus inhalation room, a Swedish dry sauna, a hot therapeutic whirlpool, a rooftop pool with private cabanas, a grotto waterfall, and much more. When I visited, I did their desert botanical facial. At the Westin Kierland Resort and Spa, you'll find a wide variety of services that showcase desert-inspired treatments and traditional therapies. All of their treatments are influenced by traditional practices handed down through many of Arizona's native cultures. While I was there, I got the body contouring treatment. This is an herbal cellulite firming treatment that uses microcurrent technology combined with their invigorating almond, paprika, and ivy body scrub. The treatment left me feeling toned, taut, and energized. Scottsdale, Arizona is a city of contrast as vast as the Sonoran desert landscape. From hiking along foothills of the Red Rock Mountains to enjoying a day at the lavish spa, everyone can find something in Scottsdale that they will love. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Sarah Funky, and watch my other travel videos. I have tons of them. I'll see you next time.